In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop interaction in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process. To start off, you'll want to launch Figma and navigate to your workspace. Make sure that you have a project open where you want to implement this drag and drop feature. If you're not familiar with how to get to your workspace, just look at the project navigator on the left side of your screen. Click on the desired project and you should be all set to go. Next, you're going to select the object that you want to set up for dragging. Once you've clicked on your chosen object, you should notice a blue border appearing around it. This blue outline indicates that the object is now active and ready to be manipulated. Now for the fun part. Press and hold the left click of your mouse while still over the selected object. It's essential to keep that click held down as you begin to move your mouse. This action will enable you to drag the object around your workspace. You may want to experiment with dragging it in different directions to get a feel for the process. Once you have your object in the desired position, you can release the mouse button to drop it. Just move your mouse to the exact spot where you want the object to land and let go of that left click. Congratulations, you've just successfully created a basic drag and drop interaction. Now let's bring in another object to repeat the process. Take the second object that you need to drag and once again click on it. Just like before, you should see the blue border signifying that it's active. Keep that left click pressed down and start moving your mouse around. This technique not only makes it easy to reposition elements in your design, but also adds an engaging level of interactivity to your Figma projects. If you have multiple objects or layers, you can apply the same method to move them around freely as needed. And that's really all there is to it. You've learned how to create a simple drag and drop interaction in Figma. As you get more comfortable, you can try using this technique in more complex designs or incorporate it into prototypes to provide a more interactive experience for users. Experimentation is key. If you want to explore more features or learn other tips about Figma, feel free to leave your ideas in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out. Remember, Figma is a powerful design tool, and mastering interactions like this can significantly enhance your workflow and the quality of your projects. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing what you create with these drag and drop interactions.